Yesterday, I learned something about combined speeds, so today I would like to share it with you. So, here we are going to first take a look at Newton's equation, then Einstein's equation, then we're going to see the differences between these two equations, and finally we're going to see who is right, Newton or Einstein. So first, Newton's equation. It is very simple. We just take v, the velocity, and add it, and v, the velocity, the total velocity, is equal to both the velocities you want to add. The first velocity will be called v1 and the second velocity is v2. Speed. Let's say that we have two speeds here, 0.9c and 0.8c. If Newton were correct, then these two speeds will equal to 1.7c. But this Newton's equation is way too easy. You can memorize it in a second. However, Einstein's equation you could memorize easily, but calculating is where Einstein's equation is hard at. So Einstein's equation is you take the total velocity v is equal to the sum, like in Newton's equation. Here these are in units where the speed of light is equal to 1, and we take this whole sum and divide it by a special quantity, 1 plus the product of the two velocities. Let's say that we take these two speeds again. So here, first we add these two, like the top of the equation says. That gives 1.7c. Then we do the product and the addition. So when you multiply 0.9 and 0.8c, you get 0.72c plus 1 is 1.72c, and finally you divide, which gives 0.988c. If you are thinking, I know that this is a big speed. Come on. It is 99% of the speed of light. However, if you look closely, you will notice the first difference. Here, Newton's equation allows some speeds to, when added, to have a sum that's larger than the speed of light, which is a no-no if you know special relativity. However, Einstein's equation never allows speeds to be faster than light. If you think that if the two velocities are bigger than the speed of light, then the sum will also be bigger than the speed of light, well, you are wrong. Newton will of course say that, but Einstein, no. Let's check that. So let's say that our speeds are now bigger than the speed of light, 2.5 times the speed of light and 1.5 times the speed of light. We first add them together, which gives a speed of 4c. Then we divide them by the quantity. Then we figure out what the quantity is. 2.5 times 1.5 is 3.75. Plus 1 is 4.75, and finally we divide. 4 divided by 4.75 is equal to 0.842. Realize how both the speeds are larger than the speed of light, and yet our answer is lower than the speed of light. as you see, Einstein's equation never allows these equations to never allows the speed when to combine into a velocity that is larger than the speed of light. So now, who is right, Newton or Einstein? It turns out that it's actually Einstein who is giving the correct answers here. Sorry, Newton, you are wrong here.